How to remove a watermark in Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm here to show you some few simple steps to remove watermark in your Word file. So first you need to go to Design tab and go to Page Background ribbon. Here you can see watermark. Click on the drop down arrow. Here you will see remove watermark. So in most of the cases, your watermark should be removed. But for those watermarks which aren't removed, this is what you'll need to do. Click on the header area and as you can see, you can now move your watermark. This is the arrow that we want. After that, make sure it's selected and click on the delete in your keyboard and it's gone. So that's it for how to remove a watermark in Word. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.